Vitamin B3, historically known as niacin, has experienced a remarkable evolution in its role in human health, moving from a fundamental dietary requirement to a molecule of therapeutic and longevity significance. Originally recognized for its capacity to prevent and treat pellagra, a debilitating disease characterized by dermatitis, diarrhea, and cognitive decline, niacin's discovery underscored the profound impact of a single nutrient on human well-being. Over the decades, research has uncovered additional layers of B3's biological influence, revealing its pivotal roles in energy metabolism, DNA repair, and cellular resilience. Today, vitamin B3 has emerged as a molecule at the forefront of anti-aging research, metabolic medicine, and even cardiovascular and neuroprotective interventions, demonstrating how simple nutrient can transcend its nutritional origins to become a versatile therapeutic agent. The story of niacin began in the early 20th century, when pellagra was rampant in populations dependent on maize-based diets. The identification of niacin as a treatment for this deficiency was transformative, effectively eradicating a disease that had plagued millions. This early success highlighted the importance of B3 in supporting fundamental cellular functions, particularly its role as a precursor to NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, a coenzyme vital for energy production and enzymatic reactions. Even in this early period, niacin demonstrated the capacity to impact not just overt disease symptoms, but also the underlying metabolic processes necessary for health and vitality. As scientific understanding deepened, researchers began to appreciate the broader biochemical roles of niacin. Its conversion to NAD and NADP revealed a molecular network through which B3 supports mitochondrial energy production, cellular repair, and oxidative stress management. These pathways are critical for virtually all cells, from neurons to muscle fibers to liver cells, highlighting why B3 deficiency has such wide-ranging effects. The insight that NAD levels decline with age opened a new chapter in B3 research, linking a nutrient once viewed solely as a deficiency-correcting vitamin to the fundamental biology of aging. The therapeutic applications of B3 expanded further with the development of nicotinic acid and nicotinamide for lipid management in cardiovascular medicine. Niacin's ability to modulate cholesterol, reduce triglycerides, and improve HDL levels demonstrated that vitamin B3 could be harnessed pharmacologically, influencing metabolic pathways and systemic health beyond its dietary role. These findings set the stage for exploring B3 derivatives such as NR and NMN as precision interventions designed to optimize NAD levels and cellular resilience. Unlike traditional pharmaceutical agents that target specific receptors or pathways, B3 acts at the cellular and mitochondrial level, enhancing energy production, DNA repair, and stress resistance simultaneously, a hallmark of its versatility as a therapeutic molecule. The advent of anti-aging research has propelled B3 into the spotlight as a longevity nutrient. Declining NAD is now recognized as a central driver of age-related mitochondrial dysfunction, metabolic slowdown, cognitive decline, and organ fragility. Studies in both preclinical models and early human trials indicate that NR and NMN supplementation can restore NAD, enhance mitochondrial efficiency, improve metabolic flexibility, support cognitive function, and even boost cardiovascular and kidney health. These findings suggest that vitamin B3 is not only a preventive nutrient, but also an active therapeutic agent capable of modulating the core mechanisms of aging. In essence, what began as a remedy for a deficiency disease has evolved into a molecule that supports systemic resilience, tissue repair, and cellular rejuvenation across the lifespan. The evolution of B3 from nutrition to medicine also reflects broader trends in modern science, where the boundaries between dietary interventions and pharmacology are increasingly blurred. Unlike many drugs that target a single molecular pathway, NAD precursors operate at a fundamental level, supporting multiple systems in parallel. This multi-system impact is particularly important in aging, where decline occurs simultaneously across the brain, heart, muscles, liver, and kidneys. By targeting NAD-dependent pathways, B3-derived therapeutics provide a unique opportunity to enhance health span, maintain energy, and protect against chronic disease, all with a favorable safety profile. What makes the story of B3 especially compelling is its continuity from historical necessity to cutting-edge innovation. From preventing pellagra to optimizing mitochondrial function, modulating lipid metabolism, and enhancing cellular repair. Vitamin B3 exemplifies the potential for nutrients to transcend their traditional roles. It illustrates how a molecule once confined to the realm of dietary adequacy can be repurposed, refined, and integrated into modern therapeutic strategies, bridging nutrition, medicine, and longevity science. Looking forward, the potential of B3 in medicine and anti-aging interventions is vast. Ongoing clinical trials are exploring its applications in neurodegenerative diseases, metabolic disorders, cardiovascular support, kidney health, skin repair, and systemic resilience, while research continues to unravel the molecular mechanisms underlying its broad benefits. The evolution of vitamin B3 underscores a central lesson in biology and medicine. Molecules that support fundamental cellular processes have the capacity to transform health at both individual and population levels. In the case of B3, what began as a life-saving nutrient for deficiency disease has blossomed into a versatile therapeutic tool, offering new possibilities for healthier aging, systemic vitality, and a more proactive approach to human longevity. Vitamin B3's journey, from essential nutrient to a molecule with profound therapeutic and anti-aging potential, demonstrates the extraordinary impact that understanding and harnessing fundamental biological pathways can have on health. It represents a bridge between the past, where nutrition corrected deficiencies, and the future, where targeted nutrient-based therapies may reshape the landscape of medicine, offering a practical and scientifically grounded strategy to extend health span, support cellular resilience, and enhance quality of life well into older age.